Let us solve one problem on section of solid. A cone, okay, a cone of base diameter 50 millimeter. A cone of, okay, cone. Solve the projection of section of a cone. Cone means base is circle and they are having an apex. There is no edges here. No base edges. Base means it's a circle only. So face edges, nothing we have edges in cone. Only a cylindrical, conical section is there. Conical shape is there. And altitude also 60 millimeter. Rest on its base on HP. Rest on its base on HP. And it is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP. Perpendicular to VP. Perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. So it is a section going to happen in the front. Okay, section going to happen in the front view above the XY line. Perpendicular to VP and inclined to the HP. But it is given that parallel to one of the extreme generators. Parallel to one of the extreme generators and 10 mm away from it. Generator and 10 mm away from it. Generator means these edges, this extreme edge. So here also extreme edge we are making for drawing this. So that extreme edge generator, it is parallel to the extreme generator. The section plane is, so if this is the extreme generator means the section plane is parallel to this. Okay, extreme generator and parallel to it is going to cut. Okay. So what we did it? I draw the circle with the diameter 50. Diameter 50 means radius is 20 millimeter. Then project O towards okay. What's the height of the solid is 60 millimeter. So height is 60 millimeter here, and we can draw it. And then so this is the actual projection of a cone. That's all about it. Top view makes a circle, front view extreme generator, triangle will become. That's all. So section plane is parallel to the extreme generator. Parallel to extreme, this is the extreme generator. It is parallel to it. I am going to cut. And 10 mm away from it. 10 mm away from it. 10 mm distance. It is parallel to this. So I can mark here also. It may be parallel to this edge also. Both are same only. We can make it parallel to this edge or otherwise this edge, no problem. For drawing this diagram, so it is very difficult to mark the inner edges. So I divide this into 12 segments and I am creating one imaginary edges also. That edges, I am assuming that it is having 12 edges on the surface in equal distances. Imaginary edges, and then with that edge I mark the section edges. So for that what we have to do is draw one horizontal line. All the lines are, now I am drawing all the lines in light lines, narrow lines. No, because these edges are not actually happen here, available in the solid. These edges are not available in solid. For drawing purpose, we are creating the edges. So how we have to create means I am going to create 12 edges, 12 points on this. So for that what I can do is, so take radius in the compass, take radius in the compass, yes, now we can mark. So I mark 12 edges. I name it as, this point is A, B, C, angle. So I mark 12 corner points. Then edges. So you marked all these edges. These edges are actually not in the solid, but imaginary edges we created. So we project all these to here also. Okay. In the front view, this is O dash. So this point is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, and G dash. Then G dash, then X dash. L dash. All these points are marked in this. Then section plane. How have to write section plane? So what we have to do is draw parallel line about this generator. So how much of distance is? So the distance is 10 millimeter above it. So draw one perpendicular line here about this. Draw one perpendicular line and mark 10 millimeter from it. Okay, mark 10 millimeter from it and draw the section line. Draw the section line 10 millimeter from it and draw the section line here. Vertical trace. Okay, so this distance is 10 millimeter. So draw on perpendicular line, draw 10 millimeter. So now starts the section points over here. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 points we have. So start from here. So here only OE. This side we are having two edges, OB and OL. OB is visible, OL is hidden. Here also two edges, OC and OK. OC is visible edge, OK is a hidden edge. Here also two edges, OD and OJ. OD is the visible edge, OA is the hidden edge. Here also we have two edges, OE and OI. OE is the visible and OI is hidden. Here it is cut on the base. Here it is placed cut on the base. Here also we have two edges. What are those means? Visible means E and F. Visible means E and F. So in the back, hidden edge is there. So hidden edge is I and H. I and H we have. So hidden edge. So we will start numbering over here. So here for visible edges, I mark first. So here 1 dash, here 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash. Then for hidden edges, here 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash and 11 dash. Totally we have 11 section points. Okay. Then what we have to do is project all in the top view. Project all the section points in the top view. So first 1 dash. So mark this. 1 is the edge on OA, isn't it? OA. So 1 is OA. This is 1. Then 2 and 11. Okay, 2 and 11. Two and 11 are from OB and OL. So this is OB. 2. OL is 11. Then 3 and 10. 3 and 10. Then 3 and 10. 3 and 10 are from OC and OK. OC. 3 and OK. 10. Okay. Then next point is 4 and 9. We can't mark directly 10. Then go for another point. 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 I project towards down. Project towards down. 5 and 8 are in OF and OE and OI. OE. So this is 5 and OE and OI. This is 5 and 8. Then the last is these points. So these are all the point in the base. That is EF and IH. EF is 6. Then here 7. Okay, 5, 6 and 7. Only 4 and 9 are left. So how to mark 4 and 11 means just you transfer this 4 and 11 to horizontal. Draw horizontal line from 9. Okay, draw horizontal line from 9 this point to the extreme generator. Then bring it towards down. Bring it towards down. Okay. So this point. So we will get this point. This point. Then what we have to do is draw a circle. Draw a circle with the 0 O as center and this as radius. So we will get 2 points 4 and 9. So this point is 4 and this point is 9. So now we can connect. So here when sectioning curves, cone means curve section will be there. Curve section. So here 1, 2, join these section points with smooth curve. Here also smooth curve. Will get a smooth curve. Then to find true shape of the section, draw a reference line which is parallel to XY line. Draw a reference line parallel to the section line. So this is our new X, Y. Then project all the points. Now what we have to do is mark the points one by one. So here first is 1. The distance is from 1 it is like this. So this point is 1. 1. Okay. Then 2. 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, first